And since you've got that 18-volt battery for the blender, why not get the most out of it? Maybe your camera battery is low. Recharge your gear wherever you are with this waterproof USB charger. Them up and become a summertime hero anytime, anywhere. And what's a party without music? The coolest comes with a removable Bluetooth speaker that connects to any smartphone to wirelessly stream music from up to 30 feet away. It's amazing where speaker technology has come in the last few years. You can skip songs and adjust the volume right from your phone, and this little box can really put out some sound. And since you've got that 18-volt battery for the blender, why not get the most out of it? Maybe your camera battery is low, or maybe you have an iPhone and want to use it after 2 in the afternoon. Recharge your gear wherever you are with this waterproof USB charger. The party doesn't stop just because the sun goes down, and you shouldn't have to freeze your fingers searching endlessly for your favorite drink. The coolest has waterproof LED lights embedded in the lid so you can easily find what you're looking for with the push of a button. One of the biggest hassles of outdoor fun is hauling your gear back and forth from the car, and I've experimented with various ways to solve the problem. I love coolers with wheels, but I hate that they refuse to help carry anything else. The coolest has you covered with locking tie-down bungees, so you can carry all your stuff in just one trip. And what about getting organized to go out in the first place? The coolest helps out almost like a picnic basket to make sure you always have a few key essentials with built-in storage for reusable plates, cutting boards, and this awesome rust-proof ceramic knife. Plus, the removable divider gives you a whole new level of flexible packing options. You can pull the drain plug on one side and your coolest can stay dry and cool just like your refrigerator. Say goodbye to soggy sandwiches. Regular cooler tires are flimsy and sink right into the sand. We designed the coolest wheels.
Hey guys, Evan here again with ADI, and I just wanted to show you one of the cool setups we have going on in our office. As you can see, our basil plant's growing pretty well. Say it's about a good month in there. We got our mountain stone origin sand here on the bottom and some Anubias that we attached to the mountain stone that's growing really nicely. We got our beta fish friend in there. He's loving it so far. You might not be able to see it, but there are some cool shrimp in there and some snails roaming around. Those guys keep the tank really nice and clean. As you can see here, the tank looks really sharp and there's not any algae growing or anything. One of the reasons is the shrimp and the snails. We do absolutely no maintenance to this tank. It's just been running for weeks on end. And it's a great thing to have on your desk, and you don't have to worry about it at all. We also keep the glass top on there to keep the evaporation down. That way you don't have to add water to it all the time. We got our trusty remote here. You can change the different colors on it to whatever you like. We got lightning effects, cloudy and sun, and the moon for at nighttime. It's a great little addition.
Yo, the first moment that I turned it on and tried it, I was just completely blown away.
Literally, I have the experience of a club, of a nightlife, of me DJing at a nightlife with all the subs everywhere, right on my back.
I'm actually experiencing music all over again.
Until now, we've been limited to only hearing music. But every once in a while, when you're at a club or a big concert, standing next to those massive speakers, something visceral happened. You could literally feel the music pulse through your body.
Our team at Studio Feed has developed technology that brings that immersive music experience directly to you.
It's called the Sub Pack, and it represents the next level of how you experience music.
When you plug this thing in and when you turn it on, it changes everything. I mean, it changes the game, and I'm not kidding. I think what shocked me the most was how compact it was and how strong it felt. I gotta put it on one of my songs.
So we've designed the Sub Pack to be really easy to use. The Sub Pack is compatible with pretty much any line or headphone audio source, like an iPod or a computer or a regular audio system. can plug in your headphones and you set the level on your iPod or your computer just like you would, except now you can turn up the intensity on the sub pack to create another dimension that you wouldn't have had before.
The first time I sat down, the first time I got introduced to the sub pack, like it was just that feeling right away. I was like, holy crap, like it's not that people take their hearing for granted, but me having my hearing as a kid before and now not having it just makes me appreciate certain energies and sounds and feelings a lot more. It's cool. I was like, you definitely hear it. Like, you know, it's not hear it, but like in a feeling wise, you hear the song. You know what I mean? Like you're at the club right now. Like, toward the deaf community that hasn't tried the sub pack yet, our headphones have finally got in here. That's the best way I can say it. Our headphones is finally here.
Any